So children, here we have completed the 3 Romans. In the textbook, the page number children 59. So let us see the D Roman children here. So here we can see the D Roman. Underline the special names in these sentence. The 4th Roman, the D Roman they have given, that is underline the special names. So children, what do you mean by the special names? So special names means nothing but the naming words which we start with the capital letters. Anything, the name of a place, the name of a country, anything. The naming words which begin with the capital letters, those names are called as the special names here. So no need to worry about that what is the special name, what is the special name. So nothing, that is nothing but special name means nothing but the naming words which begin with the capital letters. Okay children? So the first one already they have given in our textbook. So what they have given, that is the first sentence is my name is Shyama. So here they have given my name is Shyama. So Shyama is a special word. So this is a special name beginning with a capital letter. So they have underlined here children, already the first one has been completed. Now let us see the second one. Sinbad was a sailor from Baghdad. Sinbad was a sailor from Baghdad. So here what are the 2 names children? Here in this sentence we can identify the 2 special names. What are those names? The first one is Sinbad has been started with a capital letter. The another one, he was a sailor from Baghdad. So it's a name of a country. So Baghdad is a very big country. So that is a city, Baghdad country. So here we can see Sinbad and Baghdad. These are the special names. Now the third one children. Aunt Polly loved Tom. Aunt Polly, she loved Tom. So here what is the special name in the third sentence? Aunt Polly. So these are the 2 names, special names begin with the capital letters. And another one Tom. So this also you have to underline. They told that underline the special names. So we have to underline these special names only we have to underline. Not all those. So only the special names we have to underline. The words which has been started with the capital letters. Now the 4th one children. Farhan and Hari are neighbors. Farhan and Hari are neighbors. So here we have to underline Farhan and Hari. So Farhan and Hari, they both are neighbors. They both are neighbors. And the 5th one. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. So here Bengaluru is the capital. It's capital of Karnataka. It's a state. So Karnataka is a state. Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra, also like that they are the states. So Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. So here we can underline Bengaluru and Karnataka. So these are the 2 words. These are the special names beginning with the capital letters. And the 6th one here we have summer holidays in May and June. Yes, of course we have the summer holidays in May and June. So these are the 2 months, May and June. So months of here these 2 we can underline children here, May and June. The 7th one, Jack named his cow Daisy. Jack named his cow Daisy. So Jack means it's the name of a boy, begin with a capital letter, and Daisy, flower. It's a flower name. So these also you have to underline. And the last one children here, the Kapalishwar temple. The Kapalishwar temple is in Chennai. So this is a famous Lord Shiva temple which is located in Chennai. Kapalishwar temple. We used to say it as Kapalishwar temple. It's a famous Hindu temple and it's a temple of a Lord Shiva. So here we can do the underline children. The Kapalishwar temple and it is located in Chennai. So this also you can underline here. So these are the 3 special names. So here we have completed the D Roman. Okay children, so all the D Roman here we have completed. Now let us see the E Roman. So note down all of you children, underline the special names. So children, let us see the next Roman. So what we have the next Roman? E Roman. That is the E Roman. So the E Roman also the same as like that, the D Roman. So in the E Roman also they have told that underline the special names in this paragraph. So here they have given a paragraph for us. So here we can see children a picture also, and here related to the picture they have given a paragraph for us. So from this paragraph what we have to do? So we have to identify the special names. What do you mean by the special names? The naming words, the names which has been started with the capital letters. Okay children, now what is the paragraph here? Now Meena and Geeta are friends. So here the two children, Meena and Geeta, that means the two children are there here. Here we can see the two children, small children. They are playing with a cow there. Here it's a cow, a big tree is there, and on the tree there is a small bird. Here we can see the animal cow. Here a white cow is there. Okay children, so related to this they have given a paragraph for us. Meena and Geeta are friends. So Meena and Geeta, they both are friends. They live in a village called Avalur. They live in a village called Avalur. Here they have a small village. They are living in a small village called Avalur. And they play under a big tree. Yes, here it is a very big tree. They are playing daily. They used to play there. So in the villages we can see there are very big trees we have. In the towns and cities we can't able to see this much of such big trees there, isn't it? They doesn't have the place in the towns and cities. But in a village side we can see more number of trees and a very big trees also. So the children, all the children, they used to play under a big trees. So big trees will give a big shade also. So the children, they used to play under the shade of a big tree. And one day a cow comes and licks Meena's hand. One day suddenly what happened? Both the girls are playing there under a big tree. So suddenly a cow was grazing there outside, and it came to the Meena's, and it started to lick the Meena's hand. Now Geeta feed the cow some fresh grass also. Now they didn't scare by seeing the cow, because that is a common animal, domestic animal, isn't it? You know, it doesn't make any harm to others. So what happened? So suddenly the Geeta also what she did? She took some fresh grass and she started to feed the cow. So that happily ate nicely. So cow was also very happy because eating the grass. Now Geeta feeds the cow and some fresh grass. The cow is very happy. Cow was feeling very happy. Yes, these two girls are really very nice girls, and they are feeding me grass like that. They felt that cow. So here we can see the picture. See, like this. Now in this paragraph children, here we have to identify the special names and we have to underline. Okay. Now the first we can see children, Meena and Geeta are friends. So who are friends here? Meena and Geeta. So the first here, this we can underline children, Meena and Geeta. Meena and Geeta, these two names we can underline them. And they live in a village called Avalur. So another word here, that is Avalur. So that is a village name, Avalur. A-V-A-L-U-R, Avalur. And they play under a big tree. One day a cow comes and licks Meena's hand. So another time they have given a Meena. So this Meena also again you can do the underline there. Geeta feeds the cow. So which girl feeds the cow? Geeta. So Geeta another time we can do the underline there. So because these are the words which begin with the capital letters. And now the cow is very happy. That's also, these are the three names. Here we have the special names in this paragraph. So children, here we have completed the up to E Roman. Now the last Roman here we have, that is the F Roman. So what is the last Roman here we have in this page children? The F Roman. So up to here we can end the page. So here what is that? Write the special names for the following common names. So for the common names we have to write the special name. So what is a common name? So something boy. Boy means it's a common name. So if you give a special name means that boy means all of the boys. So that is a common. Special means we have to give the specified name for that. Yes, Rajesh, Rakesh, Ram, Suresh. So if we give a special name for that, so like that. So children, like that here they have given a car for us. So the first one they have given car. So car means so many cars will be there. Which car? How do we know? Car means also just a common name. So for that common name we are giving a special name now. How could we give? We can identify that is, yes, that is Maruti, Maruti Suzuki car, Toyota, Hyundai, Nano, anything we can give. So it's a Innova, Scorpio, so like that. Car means common. What car? So we are giving a special name for that. Girl means girls only. So but we are giving a special name to a girl. Sita, Janaki, so Lalita, Leena, Sara, Sabha. So like that we are giving a special name. That is a special name. Common name means girl, common name. So like that here car means, here they have given already children in our textbook, Nano. So they have given a special name for that, Nano. Now let us see the second one, magazine. Any magazine. Magazine means it's a common name. So any one special name we are giving means any magazine we can give. The Week, the Swati, anything, magazine. So anything we can give, the Week magazine, otherwise the Swati magazine, the Andhra Jyoti magazine, like that. So here we are giving the Week like that. So the Week. Country. Country means there are so many countries. Country means it's a common name. So we have to give a special name. Yes, country means India. So any country name we can give, but we can write only India because we are Indians. So we used to write the India. So China we can give America, USA, Russia, Japan, anything, Afghanistan, anything we can give. But here we are writing only India. Country means our India. I-N-D-I-A, India. Magazine, the Week magazine, country means India. Newspaper. Yes, coming to the newspaper, there are so many newspapers are there. Telugu newspapers are there, English newspapers are there, anything. The Hindu, the Deccan Chronicle, Sakshi newspaper, Eenadu, Andhra Jyoti is there, Varta paper is there. So there are so many newspapers are there. So anything you can do. So I am writing the Hindu, the Times of India, everything. So here I am writing the Hindu. So this is the special name for a newspaper. Now lake. Lake means there are so many lakes are there. Pulicat Lake in Andhra Pradesh, in our state there are so many there. In our country there are so many lakes are there. So in our Andhra the Pulicat Lake is there, isn't it? So in Sulurpeta near we have the Pulicat Lake. The bird festival, the flamingo festivals also we used to celebrate there, isn't it? So anything we can give. So in Jammu and Kashmir the Dal Lake is there. So easy to write. Anything we can write. So Dal means here we are giving a special name for that. So anything we can do. So here I am writing the Dal Lake. Lake means the Dal Lake. This is the fifth one here. Now the sixth one, park. Any park. National park is there. So many parks. The children's park is there. So in Nellore city only we have so many parks are there. So here I am giving the national park. The sixth one here I am giving the national park. This is the special name. Begins with a capital letter. So begins with a capital letter. This is a special name here. The day. Day means any day. Sunday, Monday. There are just 7 days are there. Anything you can like. Any day you can write. The Monday you can write. Sunday you can write. Tuesday you can write. Which day you like the most, that day you can do the name. So I am writing here Sunday because everybody likes Sunday, you know. Sunday means a holiday, fun day. So we have. So I am writing the Sunday now. Nobody likes Monday because after Sunday it used to come the Monday. All of them has to go to school, isn't it? You know. So the Monday nobody likes. Sunday means yes. Saturday also no problem. Saturday or Sunday means the weekend we have. So enjoy nicely. And the month. Yes, any month you can write. which is the favorite of your birthday. So the birthday in which month we can falls that. So that also you can write. So any month you can write, children. Which month you like means the most you can write. Maybe the May, the birthday month, the festivals month, or anything. So here we can write the month. So I am writing January. Yes, New Year, no? So here we can write the January. If you want, children, you can write any other months also, because the December for Christians it's a very nice month. So the festival falls the December, Christmas. So the December you can write any birthday special. So anything you can write. So we have the 12 months. Any month you can write May, June, August, September. February, anything. So that is your wish. We can write there. So children, here we have completed the page number 58 and page number 59. So the textbook 2 pages here we have completed, children. So hope you understood, all of you. Note down carefully all of you in your textbooks, children. So hope you understood, children. Thank you.